Embrace simplicity. 10 tips for incorporating minimalist home decoration. We love the minimalist home decor. It is not just a clean look but also an uncluttered look. It is a home decor trend we have long been fans of. Minimalist home decoration is an aesthetic that's gaining traction worldwide. Its appeal lies in the effortless tranquility it brings, coupled with its stark elegance. If you're considering shifting to this interior design philosophy, here are 10 tips for incorporating minimalist home decoration. In today's fast-paced world, finding tranquility and harmony within our living spaces has become increasingly essential. Enter minimalist home decoration, a design philosophy that celebrates simplicity, clarity, and functionality. By embracing minimalism, we can transform our homes into serene and clutter-free havens that foster peace of mind and promote a balanced lifestyle. 1. Embrace a neutral color palette. One of the hallmarks of minimalist home decoration is its dedication to neutral and earthy tones. Whites, grays, beige, and black form the backbone of the minimalist color palette, often complemented by the occasional pop of subdued colors like moss green or navy. These colors create a peaceful, serene, elegant, and inviting atmosphere. 2. Declutter your space. Clutter is the antithesis of minimalist home decoration. To incorporate minimalism, begin by decluttering and reducing unnecessary items in your home. This doesn't mean you must dispose of everything you own, but consider keeping only what's essential or genuinely cherished. 3. Opt for quality over quantity. Choose high-quality, functional, and timeless pieces when choosing furniture for your minimalist home decoration. Instead of filling your rooms with many pieces, select a few that bring you joy, serve a purpose, and stand the test of time. 4. Streamline your storage. Incorporating minimalist home decoration means making the most of your storage options. Hidden storage solutions, such as built-in closets or furniture with storage, can help reduce visible clutter. This practice will maintain the clean lines and open spaces that characterize minimalist home decoration. 5. Minimalist home decoration involves space maximization. Maximize your spaces by making every area functional. In minimalist home decoration, empty spaces are just as crucial as furniture. These open areas allow for energy flow and provide breathing space that helps to promote relaxation and peace. 6. Keep decorations to a minimum. When embracing minimalist home decoration, less is more, even when it comes to decorations. Choose your decorative elements wisely. Opt for significant or functional pieces, like statement wall art or a uniquely designed lamp. 7. Embrace natural light. A well-lit space is crucial to minimalist home decoration. Natural light can make a room look bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. So, keep your window treatments minimal and let in as much light as possible. 8. Use textures and patterns sparingly. While minimalist home decoration leans towards solid colors, textures and patterns can add depth and visual interest. However, these should be used sparingly and subtly. Think lightly textured fabrics, smooth surfaces, or a singular statement wall. 9. Incorporate natural elements. Minimalist home decoration can sometimes risk feeling sterile. To avoid this, incorporate natural elements like indoor plants, wooden furniture, or stone accents. These can add warmth and softness to your minimalist home while maintaining its simplicity. 10. Practice consistency. Maintain a consistent aesthetic throughout your home. Whether it's your color palette, furniture style, or decorative elements, keeping them in line with minimalist home decoration will create a cohesive and calming environment. In conclusion, the journey to minimalist home decoration is about embracing simplicity and serenity. With these tips, you'll be able to create a home that's aesthetically pleasing and a haven of peace and tranquility. Remember, balance and intentional decision-making are the keys to successful minimalist home decoration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. To find out more about how Mondoro can help you create, develop, and manufacture excellent home decor and furniture products, don't hesitate to contact us at sales@mondoro.com. To know more about us, check our social media below.